If you want to add or remove mail account on iOS 18 on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down to the apps, right? Click on it, and basically you're gonna try to pin down mail, okay? And basically what you're gonna do next, go ahead and click mail, right? And you're gonna see mail account, right? Click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, go ahead and click add account, and you're gonna add one of those account, right? And you can just go ahead and click other, right? And you can add mail account, and you can add the new mail, okay? And if you want to add, in my case I want to add Google, I'm gonna just go ahead and add a Google account, and I'm gonna link my account to Google, right? And I'm gonna be able to after I link my account to Google, let me add the account, okay? I'm gonna confirm. I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and click continue, and then continue, and I'm gonna just wait for a few moments. And as you can see right here, I can tap right here, save at the top, right? And now I added my Gmail account, right? I'll go back to my screen now, and I'm gonna go ahead to my mail, right? Okay, and I'm gonna just go back, right? And I'm gonna see my Gmail account right here, right? And if you want to remove the mail account, what you're gonna do, just go ahead. So go back to the settings. If you want to remove it, go ahead, right? Go back to the main settings, right? And try to pin down mail, right? And you're gonna see right here mail account, and then basically click Gmail, for example, and I'm gonna delete the Gmail and delete it from my iPhone. So in my mail account would not appear. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.